jigéenu jant jigéenu weer yaa ñu leeral ya yonga cant kun fi joo yaa go veña.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Jotaayu Mimi. I would like today to discuss with you the issue of the report that is making a big noise coming from what we call here the Cour des Comptes. If I have to translate it, it would be the auditing institution, public institution. They issued a report that scandalized most of our citizens. Let's remember that during COVID time, there was 1,000 billion CFA dedicated to support vulnerable people, to support loss of jobs. And the report shows that there was such a high level of embezzlement, and there is an outcry for accountability. So it's very important that public funding be managed in such a way that citizens themselves increase their confidence in their leaders. So we are asking for the justice system to take up the case. All those people who have been involved and cited by name in the report need to resign from their position and make themselves available to the justice. That's what the citizens are expecting from them. It's very important that we move forward on good governance. Otherwise, the citizen will lose confidence in their leaders and will take up the streets. And of course, the next consequence is instability. And Senegal is very well known for its stability. As we speak, of course, I was accused falsely about my management of the Economic and Social Council. I call for a public auditing. I make myself available, myself and my the previous president and the sitting president. Let's face publicly the IGE. We will come with our accounting document and we let the Senegalese people know, because I'm very confident that I manage the council very well. So that was en passant, but the most important part is to recall that good governance is a prerequisite for Senegal and for Africa if we want to move forward. Especially for Senegal, we are expecting to be a gas and oil country producer. So a huge amount of money is expected from gas and oil. So we have to make sure that we do have a very strong anti-corruption system, good governance system, so the people feel confident that public funding will go to public needs and rights. So that's why for my next discussion with you in Jotaayu Mimi, I will discuss the reform of the institutions. I think we need to balance the power between the different institutions. The power of the president is overwhelming. That's the word. We have to contain it, and I will make very specific suggestions to move forward. Thank you very much for listening. And of course, for the next session, I will be welcoming your questions and your ideas during this discussion in Jotaayu Mimi. Thank you.